Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, it's very easy, delicious and nutritious as usual. Is black eyed peas. I cook it my way with no pressure cooker or slow cooker, and also I don't soak my beans the night before. If you use the smoked turkey, be sure to boil the smoked turkey in the water for a few minutes until almost done. Before that, you add the black eyed peas. I rinse my black eyed peas good. Then I add them to this water with the smoked turkey. Smoked turkey is only for flavor. If you don't like it, don't add it. You can add directly the beans with the water. And here I have some onions. I blend my onions. For the people that they don't like onions, that's a good way to add onions without that they know that you're cooking with it. And if your family don't mind, the onions, you can chop them or slice them, then add them directly to the beans like that. I rinse also my cup to get all the onions from it. Before that, add the oil and the spices. Here I use olive oil. You can use any oil you prefer, but I like use olive oil in my cooking. It's more healthy and good. Also add some black pepper. I don't add salt with the beans in the beginning until all my beans are done, cooked and done. Mix everything together. I add here a small spoon of tomato paste. That's thicken the sauce and give it also flavor. That's optional, not everybody add it. I use the crushed red peppers, hot peppers. If you like your beans have some spice to it, you can add chili powder or cayenne pepper or a little bit of sriracha sauce. And now if you like it spicy, a little bit, not too much. Then I cover it and leave it in no cook. As I said earlier, I don't add no salt. When you don't add salt, your beans cook fast, quick, and don't need that much time to cook. When you add the salt in the beginning, it takes longer. Now my beans are done. Look, tender. And it's still in shape. They are not mushy. At this point, I add the salt. After I taste it, I add the salt that I need. Let your beans boil for another 2-3 minutes and they are ready to serve. They are so delicious and nutritious. It didn't take no time. Look to all these beans. These beans, you can serve them for your dinner. Also, you can prepare a big pot and freeze them. The freeze is really good. You can put them in different containers and put them in freezer after they cool off. And whenever you need them, you can have some beans. That was the recipe for today. Some black eyed peas cooked my way. I love some black eyed peas. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how did you like this recipe and enjoy.